Hello again, it's Craig Bolerjack. I'm back. It's time to test drive. I'm at Southtowne Auto Mall, Southtowne Mazda. I was driving around, hit the brakes, I saw this beauty and I said, I gotta stop and take, what do you guess? A test drive. That's what I do. I do test drives. And Gavin is gonna ride along with me today. Gavin, I tell you, this one caught my eye, and so did that, the number 45 Donovan Mitchell jersey.
Heck yeah.
Tell me about this car. I like the lines, the color, it looks great.
Yeah, this is our 2018 Mazda CX-5. This is the meanest car out there. It's fully loaded with everything. It's got full leather, sunroof, radar cruise control, and it even has projections onto your window. So it's a mean car. It's fun.
Wow, I like the word mean. Donovan's mean. Yeah. He gets the job done. Look, you got keys?
I do.
Can I take it for a ride?
I trust you.
All right, like you trust Donovan.
Just like I trust my boy.
You know what? I like this guy. Let's go. Let's roll. So Gab, talk to me first. Now, I just can't help but notice the Jazz jersey. I think we're gonna get along just fine.
I hope so.
Yeah. I got my heated steering wheel. I've got a good turning radius. Gavin, I like this car though. It seems like it's popular. I see a lot of them on the road too.
Yeah. They're becoming more popular more and more every day, you know. And this is, I mean, just at our lot right now I have 50, 60, but on my hands I got like hundreds available to sell. So I mean, we sell. This is definitely our most popular car. So we got sunroof. It's a one-touch. It also has the ventilated. You have your heads-up display, which is the funnest feature because it shows everything on your dash. It projects it up onto the screen. So with our radar cruise control, you'll be able to customize the distance on that. It will have your lane departure on there, your lane keep assist. It will show you all the signs. So if you pass the stop sign, it will show you the stop sign on your screen.
Wow.
It will show you the speed limit, and it will tell you if you're going over the speed limit. So
up on my screen.
It will, yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, there it is. All right, is this the lane assist right here that's telling me?
Yeah, so that's saying it's reading your lanes.
Right.
And also it's reading the distance for your cruise control. So if you were to turn on your radar cruise control going 80, someone cuts you off going 60, and your car's gonna match their speed. And it will keep a customizable distance in between that car. So, you know, they slam on the brakes, your car's gonna hit the brakes for you.
Oh, it will?
And it will bring you all the way to a stop.
Wow, I like that idea too. Before you know it, I won't even have to touch the wheel, right?
Yeah.
I'll just say, take me to St. George.
Exactly.
Take me up Big Cottonwood.
You know, it's not quite a Tesla, but man, it's about a third of the price.
Yes,
so
that's what you're talking my language now.
Yeah.
You're talking a lot of people's language. Now, this car does not have any issue with power. Can you hear that? It's just kind of, it's like a purr.
It purrs, that's what I was going to say.
It's a purr. Folks, it's a purr. It's a purr. Yeah, this thing hugs.
Yeah.
I like it.
So
look at this, G-force.
Yeah. We also have what's called G-vectoring control for these kind of turns. So you'll see as you take these, you're not hitting the window as we take these tight turns.
Aren't you glad? You're okay, right?
Oh, I'm totally okay.
Look at this. See, I don't get thrown around.
Exactly. So that G-vectoring control, it switches powers between, each tire. You know, if something were to slip, we're taking that hard turn, it's going to give more power to a certain tire. That way we're not flying around the car.
Yeah, how you tell, my friend? Awesome. Good job. Go Jazz.
Go Jazz.
Right on.
Let's get a win this season.
Let's get it.